Let me tell you something that could completely change your life. Mark my words. This is the exact thing that helped transform someone completely the same approach, followed by top athletes and successful people worldwide. If you're going to treat this like any other video and leave halfway through, you can do that. No problem. There's plenty of content on the internet you can watch instead, but for those who are serious, let's begin. What does your regular day look like? Let me guess. You wake up in the morning, pick up your phone, check messages, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, and leave home. You walk the same route, go to the same place, do the same work, meet the same people who make you feel the same way. You avoid certain people, sit with others. You finish whatever work you have, then return home on the same route. You scroll through social media, watch something, and go to sleep. You've been following this routine for who knows how long and who knows how much longer you'll continue. What's common in all this, people? Your thoughts? Other people's thoughts? Your daily tasks? Your route? Your habits? Other people's habits? The content you consume? And much more. Your routine works like a computer program where you're not doing anything by choice. Everything just happens automatically. This was happening with a famous athlete too. He said, "I remember I had no discipline when it came to eating and fitness. I still can't believe that was me." This was back in 2012. Like every season before, that one went badly for me. My eating habits were terrible. I was playing at the national level, but hadn't achieved any major success. According to neuroscientist Dr. Joe Dispenza, by age 35, 95% of who we are is our subconscious mind. This subconscious program is a mixture of our beliefs, behaviors, attitudes, emotional reactions, and unconscious habits that force us to take certain actions. The remaining 5% is our conscious mind, which says, "I want to change myself. I want to be healthy.
I want to be fit.
I want to learn this new skill. I want to work hard every day. I want to be happy. I want to be free." Every day we try to fight our 95% subconscious program with our 5% conscious mind, and we lose badly every single time. That's why you tell yourself every day that from tomorrow, from Monday, or from the first of the month, you'll change everything. But nothing changes. So first, accept this fact. The battle you're fighting is one you're destined to lose. You cannot beat your subconscious mind. Your life is not under your control. You're just a passenger, and this subconscious program is in the driver's seat, taking you where it wants to go, not where you want to go. So should we just give up and live this mediocre life? No. Then what's the solution? There's only one solution. When the enemy is much stronger than you, when losing is certain, you shouldn't fight at all. When you stop fighting, nobody loses and nobody wins. You might be thinking, if we stop fighting, how can we win? By making friends? That means instead of fighting it, we need to change its programming, so this mind, which is currently against you, which is pushing you into darkness, making you a failure, you can use that same mind to make yourself successful. To change any program, you have to change its source code. Our mind's source code is built from 6 total steps. The first 3 steps will set a solid foundation, and the last 3 steps will hard reset your brain and completely reprogram it. The athlete continues, "I remember when I came home after that season. One morning after looking in the mirror, I felt disgusted with myself. I hated what I saw. I told myself, you're part of the national team. This cannot continue." And after that, everything changed. Before this athlete, no one from their country had touched this level of fitness. This person brought that culture to their team. Put a human among animals, and they become animal-like. Put animals among humans, and they develop humanity. You never learned to speak your native language. You just heard people around you talking and started speaking like them. You can never do anything big in life. You don't have enough intelligence. You're weak at studying. You're only capable of earning this much. Making money is very difficult. If statements like these are normal for someone, understand that they've been conditioned. They've been programmed. An entire software has been created for them. When one thing is said repeatedly, your brain gets conditioned to that thing. They say if you tell a lie enough times, it starts seeming like truth. Your brain believes thousands of such lies as truth and makes you act accordingly. The result is that our life becomes exactly like that. So first, you have to change your conditioning. You have to repeatedly tell yourself things that are beneficial for you and that you can believe. But now your mind isn't a small child anymore. It's grown up believing those things. Now, if you tell it something else, Even if it's positive or beneficial, it won't easily believe it. Therefore, you have to very carefully decide what belief you're creating inside yourself through your conditioning. Want to change a habit? Want to achieve a long-term goal? You can change anything using this method, but the first step is that you must believe in your conditioning, that whatever you're thinking, whatever you're telling yourself is 100% possible. Until now, what you were doing was convincing your mind, not yourself. Many people convince their mind, but still see no change in their life. For example, countless people want to start their own business. They have complete confidence in their idea, complete belief that they'll be very successful. But even after all this, they can't do it. Because their mind was ready, but their body didn't allow it. The hardest part is making your body feel that what you're thinking is actually possible. Because ultimately, your body has to do all the work, right? Just imagining won't accomplish anything. You have to emotionally make your body feel this inside. Our brain's language is thoughts, and our body's language is feelings. If the body can't feel it, you can't act on it either. How many times has this happened? Something looks so tasty. You really want to eat it, but your stomach is full. You're not hungry, so you don't even touch it. Similarly, for what you want to achieve, you must have hunger for it. You must have strong feelings inside. They felt it completely when looking at themselves and said, "This cannot continue. I have to change everything." The body can understand signals given through feelings, and taking action becomes very easy for you. If you're not feeling anything about your vision, it means your body isn't receiving your mind's signals, which is why you won't take action. Till now, whatever you were doing because of your habits. Whatever you do ahead will also be because of your habits. When you start believing with your mind and start feeling it in your body, only then can you bring changes to your behaviors. Meaning behavior will become your habit, and all your habits together will reprogram your subconscious, where 95% of your actions will change. Every day, without thinking, whatever actions you take will bring you closer to success. The athlete continues. From the next day, everything changed. I became completely disciplined about diet and fitness. No junk food, no cheat days. Proper diet and 2 hours in the gym every day. How did this happen? Now they know. So with the first 3 steps, you've built a solid foundation. Now it's time to hard reset your mind and program it. Whatever happens with us in life, the reaction comes from our self-talk. Whether you call it negative self-talk or positive, nothing is positive or negative for our mind. These are just things your mind has accepted as truth. Whether it benefits you or harms you doesn't matter. If you say, "I can't exercise," I'm weak in studies. I can't wake up early. My sitting capacity is low. Saying such things makes your mind make you do things that keep confirming these statements more and more. Until a few days ago, I also thought I couldn't wake up early. I'm naturally a night owl, working late at night, waking up late in the morning. Until then, I was waking up at 8 in the morning. And now I'm waking up at 5:30 in the morning very easily. How? We'll talk about that ahead. A wise person once said, "Don't speak negatively about yourself even as a joke. Your body doesn't know the difference. Your words are energy and they work magic." That's why they're called spelling. Change your words and your life will change. So you have to pay attention to every thought running in your mind, what you keep telling yourself, especially those terrible words that are making your life hell. These words can be anything like, "I feel very low. I'm not talented. I just can't wake up early. I can't exercise. I can't meditate. Can't control myself. I don't look good. I get very angry." All these things limit you, and you can't even think beyond this. But if you do this, your entire world will change. In 2014, when the team went to Australia, the athlete says, "I could visualize myself dominating the bowlers. I could actually feel this emotion that this is going to happen." And then when the match started, exactly this happened. Because the mind had already registered these things, and then the body responded accordingly. When you tune your head and you tune your mind in a way that it's so convincing in your mind that when you are in that situation, your body just takes over because it's already registered in your mind. And when that happens, you feel like, wow, man, this is so powerful. So now you have to become aware of your self-talk. Start living consciously instead of unconsciously. Decide right now that from today, your thoughts won't control you, you'll control your thoughts. Your negative self-talk now, you have to replace them with positive ones. Now your mind might be saying, "I already know this thing," but pay attention who's telling you this. Your programming friend. As I always say, just knowing doesn't accomplish anything. The real thing is when you apply this in life and make a difference. You have to replace I am lazy with I am hardworking. I am disciplined. My mind is weak becomes I am talented. I am a genius. I don't look good becomes I am good looking. I am depressed becomes I am happy. I am confident. But you have to make sure that whatever self-talk affirmations you're repicking for yourself are so basic that you do take them seriously, and not so over the top that you can't believe them. And while saying or writing these, a strong feeling should develop inside you. You have to believe completely, with full feeling, what you're saying. Fix a time, like before starting work in the morning and at night before sleeping. Every day for 10 to 15 minutes, you have to write it, say it, and also visualize. These things should keep running in your mind. Like you've noticed when you listen to music repeatedly, it gets stuck in your head. Even when you don't want it to, it keeps playing, right? Similarly, some affirmations that you'll prepare for yourself, you have to write them. Say them with so much feeling that they settle into every cell of your body, your brain. Now see how this works? As soon as you start saying with feeling, I am super confident, watch, you'll start walking differently. Your body will start responding accordingly. When you say I am talented, I am a genius, now your attention will start going toward books, podcasts, or such videos that will make you more intelligent. You'll study better. When you say I am good looking, you'll search for how looks can be improved further. You'll find some things there and start following them. You'll start finding such videos, such books, or such people who will help you move in the right direction, because now your focus isn't on the problem or complaining. Your attention has completely shifted to solutions, to making yourself better. The athlete says, when I had 8 centuries. I told myself that if I can score 8 centuries, I can play well ahead too. So I started telling myself with complete belief, with complete confidence that I'm good. I'm very good at playing. In the very next match, I scored 48 and 75 runs. And to this date, this athlete has a total of 81 centuries. To feel the power of self-talk in your mind and body, you have to prove to yourself that what you're saying is true. Meaning, whatever small success you've achieved in life, remember it. You must have exercised sometime. You must have woken up early sometime. You must have scored well sometime.
Us.
Convince yourself that if I succeeded in the past, I can do this work too. If you're telling yourself I am disciplined, then to convince yourself, you have to take such actions that prove yes, you are disciplined. Take small actions, but start taking them. Through small actions, start doing that work which you've been postponing until now. Break your big goal into small pieces and complete those small goals. Like if you can't study for long periods, start taking 25-minute study sessions. Whatever gives you that feeling of success, start doing such work. This thing will fuel your new self-talk, and you'll automatically start taking more actions. The athlete